We're talking to Mr. Uday Sahgal, Operating Director of Saacke. Thank you so much for talking to us, sir. Can you tell us a little bit about your company and the products and how you support the gear manufacturing industry?
Saacke is a 130-year-old company. We started with manufacturing hobs. The first hob was manufactured in 1900. And we built most of the machines to build these hobs ourselves.
Okay.
In 1932, we had a first customer who visited our factory. They wanted to purchase the machines that we were building. And then since this time, we started a separate machine division where we manufacture tool and cutter grinding machines.
Right.
In 1990s, we moved completely to CNC machines and stopped manufacturing of the manual machines which we sold to a different company.
Right.
So now the company has two separate divisions. One is the complete gear cutting tools, which is the hobs, the milling cutters, and other special products like shaper cutters. And the other division is the machine tools, where we manufacture 5-axis tool and cutter grinding.
Okay, all right.
We have been in India since 2007.
2007, all right. So, can you tell me a little bit about your impressions of the India market? What are the opportunities? Where do you see the growth happening?
The market has been growing slowly, but now I think after COVID, particularly with this China Plus One, we find a lot of interest in India as a manufacturing base,
Right.
complementing China possibly, and also for many of the companies to deleverage only from one market. So I think this is a really growth opportunity for us. Also over time, people have got used to the machines and now they are graduating to the next level. They need higher productivity, so we find the machines are more equipped than what we were supplying before.
Okay.
The machines 10, 15 years ago were very basic. Now we find that the people are looking for other options to reduce cycle time. So this is for us as a good market to be.
Right.
Because we are right at the top end of the market, so we would like, if the customers are buying more efficient machines or more sophisticated machines, this is a good market for us.
Right. And where in the gear industry are you seeing the most applications, etc.? Like, where is the interest coming from?
Again, the interest is the people are earlier were talking about only the cost of the tool, which now they realize that it is cost per component, so they are willing to go for more efficient products, maybe at a higher initial cost.
Right.
Maybe in hobs, they are now moving towards carbide hobs from steel because the cycle times are lesser, because they understand the machine costs are very high, so they want to reduce the cycle time. So this is for us a really good market in this. So we are also feeling too that we can contribute.
Right. And in terms of industries, like which are the industries that are seeing a growth, that are attracting the attention?
I think the complete machine tool industry, the engineering tools, for any engineering product we need the tooling to back it up. And this is now a growing realization that you have to have the best quality of tools.
So are we seeing this in the automotive industry? Are we seeing it in aerospace? Are we seeing it in
the
energy?
The energy, I think, is reaching a saturation level now.
Okay.
We have fairly electrified most of this. There will be some, of course, opportunities there, but a big growth will be in aerospace, in biomedical, especially in cell phone manufacturing. We are currently assembling. Now there is a big growth in the cell phone. So these would be areas. Automobile, already we have done quite a lot. Sure, there will be more possibilities, but aerospace, biomedical, cell phone, this would be really the areas for the future.
Right. So we've talked a little bit about the opportunities. What about the challenges? What are the challenges with the Indian market, with the Indian buyer?
Yeah, the problem is it's for the whole market, because we are for these we need supply chains. We have to be very integrated with supply chains.
Yes.
So we need a lot of support in terms of faster custom clearances, faster payment mechanisms, and stuff like this, because there we are lacking, particularly when we compare our competitors at China, then other countries like Vietnam, Philippines. These processes are much simpler. Like even for visas, especially for foreigners, were difficult. Now with e-visas, it's been simplified. But this has to be, we have to integrate ourselves totally. Otherwise, it is going to be difficult.
Right. Okay.
So we are moving, but I think maybe we need to speeden up this thing, because this is a golden opportunity and we have to catch this.
Right.
Otherwise, if person moves to Philippines or Vietnam, then this investment is gone. They will not put up bases in many countries. Luckily for us, we have a huge domestic market.
Yes.
So the people are interested in India. We are English speaking, so this is also for the world really nice, because they can see and read the contracts. They know, then it's a democracy, so people feel more stable. So all this in overall is a good sign for India. So, but we have to also understand the complexities of this business, particularly in custom clearance, in logistics. So this we have to speed up.
Right. And what about the COVID-19 pandemic and the disruptions that happened as a result of that and the Ukraine war?
Yeah, for many of the customers, it was a problem because they had to continue to pay the money, the EMIs for machines. Luckily, most of them have come out with them. There is the business, most of them are running full, so they are in a way earning money from the machines. They can pay their installments on time. So overall, it's good. I think people are now more robust, more stronger. I think it's a good sign. And also with this new business opportunities coming, I think it's a good time to be.
All right, so the industry is recovering from all those disruptions. Lastly, sir, you do know about gear technology and it's now launching in India. How do you think the magazine and the publication will actually help support the community and the industry?
Yeah, it provides a good platform, a networking platform for people to connect with each other. So I think overall it's a good thing that the people share their knowledge, share their information with each other, which benefits everybody.
Right.
And also possibly this becomes a platform to reach out to the government and powers that be to get the policy changes that are required, which finally is required from the government also. Some support is required for the industry. I think this would be a good platform in the future.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for
Thank
talking
you.
to us.